What's up guys, welcome back to a second Java tutorial again with me Mayur, and in this tutorial we are gonna be talking about classes. So let's go file, new file and class file, and I'm gonna name this file classes. Oops, sorry. Okay, now, oh sorry, my bad guys, I forgot I put a C there. So I'm gonna type something like rename couple. Okay, now I'm gonna type something like public static void main, and in this main I'm going to type string arguments. Okay, now let me explain about class are like pretty much like a container. It's going to store all the stuff inside it, that's some all the codes, commands, etc. And there are only very few terms which are allowed to write outside the class, like something like import and bunch of other stuff. So classes are like pretty much like containers. They are gonna store every code inside it, and Java is kind of pure object oriented language, so it gonna need classes. Classes are pretty much important in Java. There's no program you can write without classes. So classes are like pretty important thing in Java. And public static void main method is a starting point. It's basically a starting point. It's gonna tell your compiler that the execution of your program is gonna start from this main method, that is public static void main method is gonna start your program. That is basically the coding inside it gonna start your program. So let me write something like oops, sorry guys, system dot out dot print line, and I will type something like this is my first class, and I'm gonna save this file and run this file. And it's taking a while. Okay, now here's my output. This is my first class. That's basically what I printed in my main method. And again telling you guys, classes are pretty much like containers. They're gonna store all the coding inside them, and public static void main method is a starting point. And you can also add some more classes like class other sorry guys. Okay, you can add some other classes, but if you gonna if you're gonna want this variables and methods inside this to access in this class, you're gonna need to create an object. We are gonna talk about objects in our next tutorials. So it's just a basic overview for you guys, and that's all guys. That's all for today guys. And one more tip for you guys, that forgot to add in last tutorial, you can also download Notepad++. If you it's an alternative to Ellipse. You can also download it. It's like pretty much like Ellipse, but there are going to be difference, of course. It was designed for different languages. So Java is also one of the language which they have included in Notepad++, and the current version is 6.3, and the version may change. So you can also download it if you don't want to download this bulky file. Okay, I guess that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys. Have a good day.